Welcome to the video. Let's find out which are the deadliest months in 2021. How will the year 2021 be? And when will normal situation return? We will also analyze the astrological reasons behind the predictions. So, watch the video till the end. If you don't know the basics of Vedic astrology, and if you want to learn the basics first, please go to the link below in the description box and see the two-part video, Learn Vedic Astrology in One Day, and also the Vimshottari Dasha video. Those are very useful videos, please don't miss them. Before I start predicting about 2021, I want you all to know about the earlier deadly pandemics that happened in history and also about the planetary transits that happened during those pandemics. The deadliest of ancient pandemic is the Great Plague of Justinian. It started in 541 AD to 549 AD. It affected entire Europe, parts of Asia and parts of North Africa. It happened during the reign of Emperor Justinian. Therefore, it is known as the Great Plague of Justinian. It is considered to be an important turning point in history. It was one of the main reasons for the downfall of the Byzantine Empire, also known as the Eastern Roman Empire. Emperor Justinian was the greatest emperor of the Byzantine Empire. He expanded his empire and tried to make it as big as the old Roman Empire. Unfortunately, his plans were spoiled by the outbreak of disease. During that outbreak, half of the population in the Byzantine Empire perished. Due to the death of many soldiers, the military strength of the Byzantine Empire also got reduced. After that, the empire couldn't defend its borders. Soon the empire collapsed. Now, let's look at the planetary transit when the outbreak started. The pandemic started in 541 AD. During the first half of that year, Saturn was exalted in Libra and Jupiter was in Aries. During the first half of that year, Saturn and Jupiter were looking at each other. Jupiter is the natural Karaka or the natural significator for prosperity and well-being. But Saturn is the natural Karaka or the natural significator for sorrow and misery. When Saturn and Jupiter looked at each other, the Jupiter's ability to provide well-being and prosperity was affected. Now, let's look at Black Death. Black Death was the worst epidemic in human history. It started in the year 1346 but continued till 1353. In the span of 8 years, this pandemic killed so many millions of people that it is known as the worst pandemic in human history. Look at the positions of Jupiter and Saturn. During the early part of the year 1346, Jupiter and Saturn were conjoined together in the sign of Aquarius. Saturn is known as Dukkha Karaka. It's very strong in its own sign. Strong Saturn obstructed the ability of Jupiter to provide well-being and prosperity. The Great Plague of London started in 1665. Even though I did not find that conjunction in 1665, I found it in 1664 till November. I suspect that plague might have started in the end of 1664. Anyway, I am unable to verify it. During transit, whenever Jupiter and Saturn conjoins together, it causes very big problems to the entire world. This transit conjunction can cause enormous loss of lives. This conjunction can cause a very big war. This conjunction can cause economic collapse, or it can cause a pandemic like the one we are witnessing right now. The Great Plague of Marseille. It started in 25 May 1720 and lasted till August 1722. This is the only pandemic where I'm not finding a Jupiter Saturn combination. Next, we will look at third plague endemic. Third plague endemic started in 1855. This pandemic started in China and lasted for many years. According to Wikipedia, this pandemic lasted till 1945. It was spreading all over Asia in the first 20 years. Then it moved on to other continents. When this pandemic started in 1855, Saturn was looking at Jupiter with its 10th look. Again, during the AIDS outbreak in 1981, Jupiter and Saturn were conjoined together. Spanish flu started in 1918. The first cases were reported among the American soldiers who returned from First World War. During the first wave in 1918, the virus had spread all over the world. In 1919, few months after the first wave, people stopped wearing masks. But then, the second wave started in 1919 and it was much more deadlier than the first wave because it killed more people than the first wave. In 1920, the third wave started, but this time people all over the world were much more cautious. Everywhere people followed all precautions. So in the third wave, the death toll was much lesser. Now, coming to the present time, the real danger starts on 14 December solar eclipse. Just like last year, Saturn and Jupiter are in conjunction again. Just like last year, again a Kala Sarpa Yoga is being formed. If you draw a line between Rahu and Ketu, and if all the planets get caught on one side of the line, then it's called the Kala Sarpa Yoga. This arrangement is harmful for all people and will continue till April. The worst period would be in the end of January, because in the end of January, Jupiter would be caught between Saturn and Sun. Also, because Jupiter is too close to Sun, Jupiter would be combust. At that point, Jupiter is at its weakest. So, January, February, and March would be the most convenient time for any virus. I have seen many people die till now. It's really painful for me to listen to such news again and again. I want all of you to be safe. I don't want any one of you to die. Please take my words seriously. During 2021, please follow the guidelines issued by the government. Keep social distancing as much as you can. Please share this video with your near and dear ones because they can get warned in advance and they can be more careful and safe. Please spread this message to all. Please do not give up your hope. Be brave because the end of 2021 would mark the beginning of the end of the virus. Just like Ma Durga destroyed Mahishasur, she will destroy this virus once for all. Let's all surrender to Ma Durga. She is the mother of all living things. We are all her children. Let's all pray to her.